A company that has grown alongside the industry of South Korea, ILJIN Power has always been on a constant quest for customer value, the best quality, and service. In 1989, we took our first step as ILJIN Engineering. We started with maintenance of power plant valves and expanded our business to manufacturing equipment for chemical, power generation, and environmental plants. After the transition to a corporation, we expanded our scope to include maintenance of power, plant boilers and turbines, growing into a comprehensive maintenance company. In 1994, we entered the plant manufacturing and maintenance market with the completion of the Ulsan Yeocheon plant and the acquisition of ASME stamps. In 1998, we established a corporate research institute and strengthened our technology and production base by being selected as an excellent construction company by KEPCO in 2000. In 2001, we expanded our business into the nuclear and thermal power sectors with the tritium technology transfer contract with the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute and the opening of the Hadong Thermal Power Plant Maintenance Office in 2002. In 2003, we obtained ASME certification, completed the Onsan plant, manufactured the core experimental device, Atlas for the Korean-type nuclear power plant APR 1400 in 2005, and secured global competitiveness by achieving $10 million in air conditioning equipment exports. In 2007, we listed on the KOSDAQ and strengthened our corporate structure by changing our name to ILJIN Energy in 2008. In 2009, we achieved $30 million in exports of renewable energy equipment, securing future growth engines. In 2010, we completed the construction of the Power Technology Training Center and entered the maintenance of nuclear water intake facilities, solidifying our position as a global company with the Export Tower Award of $50 million in 2011. In 2012, we established a foundation for domestic and international turbine maintenance through technology exchanges with Mitsubishi and Hitachi in Japan. In 2013, we relocated our headquarters to the Onsan plant, and in 2014, we divided our business sectors, subsequently establishing ourselves as a leading company in the domestic power maintenance market through successful routine maintenance of major power plants. In 2019, we accelerated our entry into the renewable energy sector with the signing of the maintenance contract for the Gori nuclear power plant, the trial operation of a hydrogen charging station in 2020, and obtaining qualifications for nuclear power facility equipment, as well as the design contract for a hydrogen liquefaction plant in 2021. In 2023, we secured the business rights for the Jincheon fuel cell power plant and established Jincheon Green Energy, growing into an eco-friendly energy company, while expanding our maintenance business for power plants across various regions in the country. In 2024, marking our 35th anniversary, ILJIN Power will strengthen the competitiveness of its existing power maintenance and plant business and continue sustainable growth in the renewable energy sector and the domestic and international nuclear power facility maintenance market. We do our best in everything. With this belief, ILJIN Power sets new standards today through safety, technology, and quality. At the center of the national energy industry and on the global stage, ILJIN Power is a company that impresses its customers. Our challenge continues even now. Thank you.